plateau, with its countless gullies and ridges, narrates the vicissitudes of time. The meandering Yanhe River witnesses the weight of history. The Unside drums reverberate in the spirit of the mountains and rivers. The Xin Tianyu folk songs sing of the deep affection of the lowest land. Yan'an interprets the charm and warmth of northern Shaanxi with its simplicity. This land once used cave dwelling lights to resist thousands of years of wind and sand, and also used the flame of revolution to spread across the motherland. Now, it is using the fire of energy rising among the gullies to revitalize vitality in villages nestled among the mountains. Light is no longer just a gift of daylight. It has become the key to illuminating lives. When the first PV panel was erected on the mountain slopes, when the first inverter flickered at dawn, it brought not only electricity, but also tangible hope for a better life. Every ray of light inverted today is storing energy for tomorrow. For the villagers here, the scorching sun forged both the bold spirit of northern Shaanxi and the simplicity and hardship of life. Now, every kilowatt hour of electricity lays the foundation for green energy. Every bit of income is a microcosm of a better life.
我是陕西省延安市宝塔区柳林镇兴阳村支部书记。因为我们离城市比较近一点，人们对这个种植果树积极性后来不太高。原因就是果树收入低，投资大。所以种电界这个项目落到我们这儿，我们村民是非常期盼。种植庄稼收成就是200-300块钱，这1亩地800块。所以我们村上现在还希望种电界在我们剩余的4-5个村也给我们把这个山上的参派果园的光伏给它都建起来。
Light is hope, is warmth, even more the power of change. PV poverty alleviation transforms every ray of light into embers for overcoming poverty, warming thousands of households.